Got an outside sewer here. This is the outside sewer coming outside. We're in the backyard. We got this tree root that grew in right in the side. It's a pretty big tree root right there. It's growing right next to the pipe. I just chiseling it out and cutting it out little piece by piece, but it was all the way here and then here. This was all from the tree root. This was all filled right here. Put some cracks into the pipe, you know, over the period of time. Bottom is pretty gone too, so placing it. We're outside here, hand digging it. We got this. This was a clean out cap. We just took that off so we could see inside. We couldn't get the cap off. Let's go in here. So this is what we got there. All that. See that tree root from way back here? Look at that. It's all because of this tree right here. So this is how it looks from the view of what we're doing. We had stairs right there, right here. The stairs are right there, and right there. I'm on center blocks, had to take it off. Out here in Michigan, over in Taylor, Dearborn Heights.